Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2025 Infiniti QX55. The 2025 Infiniti QX55 continues to captivate enthusiasts of luxury crossovers with its striking design and attention to detail. If you're in the market for a vehicle that prioritizes aesthetics over maximum capacity, the QX55 might be your perfect match. Based on the reliable Infiniti QX50, this model adds a sophisticated twist with a coupe-like silhouette, appealing to drivers who value style as much as performance. The Infiniti QX55 belongs to a growing segment of style-centric SUVs that prioritize sleek design over cargo capacity. Building on the foundation of the QX50, the QX55 stands out with its sportier and more dynamic aesthetic. A stylish and well-equipped cabin is mostly a carryover from the QX50, but rather than utilize that model's quilted leather upholstery, Infiniti's designers have opted for a simpler look. Luxe and essential trims come standard with leather upholstery, while the Sensory has softer semi-aniline leather. On the Sensory, the black-stained, open-pore maplewood trim and a contrasting band of faux leather upholstery running from the console to the center stack are fine accents to a handsome interior design. The many Nissan-sourced buttons, screens, and switches are off-putting in all trims. The sloping roofline reduces rear headroom by 1.5 inches. Cargo space is less generous than in the QX50, which accommodated 9 of our carry-on suitcases behind its second row of seats. The QX55 is powered by Infiniti's VC turbo engine, a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder delivering 268 horsepower. The innovative variable compression system adjusts for either performance or efficiency. Paired with a CVT and standard all-wheel drive, the QX55 offers a smooth and comfortable ride. It handles corners confidently, but don't expect sporty, adrenaline-pumping performance. It's more suited to everyday commutes and weekend road trips. The 2025 Infiniti QX55 redefines luxury crossovers with its bold design and refined interior. While it may not be a powerhouse in terms of performance, its smooth handling, standard all-wheel drive, and premium cabin materials make it a strong contender in its class. If you're looking for a stylish and comfortable SUV with a touch of practicality, the price of the 2025 Infiniti QX55 starts at $51,500 and goes up to $60,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.